In this YouTube short, I'll be going over the process for making Harley Quinn from Suicide Squad 2. I got my materials and supplies. I'm using a basic bodice pattern and modifying it. I'm adding sequins and tulle to get an extra special effect. I'm creating two skirts, one maxi and one rip skirt. I need a lot of tulle layers to make it accurate. So. I used around 200 meters of tulle in the skirts. I made sure to add snaps to the long maxi layer. I attached the rip skirt to the bodice. I used Christmas ribbon as my halter tie. I created these extra little armbands with leftover tulle and ribbon. For extra sparkle, I added sequins to both my skirts and then I'm done.